Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. It is a wet and rainy morning out, and I'm actually getting up to the job on my four-wheeler here. I don't know if I've shown you guys this part of the job, but it's springtime, and we do this in winter and springtime. The roads aren't opened up yet, so we got to get into the units using four-wheelers a lot of time, and then they open up the roads later when they come in to log it when the weather gets better. So this morning it's kind of wet and raining, and I'm headed in on the four-wheeler. I'm gonna go ahead and hop on. I'm part way up, but I figured I'd just stop and turn the camera on and show you guys this part of the process. It's much nicer when it's not raining, but this is a good opportunity to show you what the job entails at times. All right, I'm gonna get you situated here and gonna do a little ride. I'm gonna show you another thing here. I know a lot of you guys know this stuff, but some of you might not know about water bars and stuff like that, so I'm gonna kind of talk about that a little bit. We'll drive up here to a water bar and so if you don't know what a water bar is, it's just a divot or a trench that they make in the road, and the water runs off it, so the water doesn't run down the roads. And they just do this during the winter, and then in the summer they come along and they blade all this off and they make the road nice again. But it's just to keep the roads from washing out, basically. And then when we're coming in the spring or the winter, we're just riding in on the four-wheelers, going over the water bars and getting into the units and getting them cut and getting them ready so they can log it when the weather's better. So that's what's happening. Go ahead and take a little bit of ride. You can get an idea of what this is like. Alright, you guys, you get the idea. That's what it's like to come in here on a rainy morning, and it's just part of this job. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you on the next video.